Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NAVS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take English Literature class for class 3. Dear students, let's look at today's topic. This is our today's topic. We will read Unit 8 from your buzzword book and we will practice the word meaning and make sentence from this unit. Today is lecture number 3 and homework number 3 will also be given today. So let's look at the story. The story is on page 83 of the book. Unit 8 is called The Story of the Four Seasons. Okay dear students, we'll turn the page now. Okay. So let's start reading. Long ago, the earth was hot and dry. There was no winter. There was no spring either, and no autumn. It was summer all the time. Each day the sun rose and crossed the sky, but there were no clouds to cover the hot sun and provide shade for the earth. Look at the picture. You can see that there are no leaves in the trees and everything is dry. The sun is very hot and there is nothing to eat for the animals. There is no water. The grass was always dry and brown. The streams and rivers dried out and dust filled the air. Let's look at the next picture. There is nothing to drink, not even a little dew in the morning. So they had nothing to drink. Look at the picture. The animals are talking that they have nothing to eat or drink. There is nothing to eat. Nothing to eat except dry grass. So they are complaining about the lack of food and drink. Look at the next picture. It's too hot. There is no ice for me to sit on, the bear is saying. Are you sure? There is not even a breath of fresh air to breathe, only dust. So they are sneezing due to dust. They can't breathe properly. Look at the next picture. All the animals gathered to have a meeting. So all the animals have gathered together. What can we do? They are trying to discuss what they can do now. Let's go to the next page. Polar Bear had an idea. Let's go to Skyland and meet the old woman who lives there. She will be able to help us. So Bear is saying that there is a woman in Skyland, a old woman, and Bear is saying that she will be able to help them. How do we get to Skyland? So the rabbit is asking, how do we get to Skyland? Let's look at the next picture. I know the way. We must take the shining road. Follow me. So the fox is saying that he knows the way and they have to follow the shiny road. So everyone is going there now with the fox. Look at the next picture. The animals traveled for many days and nights. They followed the shining road to the edge of the sea and then high up into the sky. So they are traveling and traveling to find the woman. They crossed the road to the edge of the sea and then high up into the sky they went. So they are going and going. Finally, Hawk saw a small house ahead of them. So after traveling a long long way, they saw a small house ahead of them. Let's go to the next picture. That is the home of the sky woman, the hawk is saying. So they have found a home in the sky. That is the home of the sky woman. We'll turn the page now. Okay, dear students, look at the next picture. When they reached the house, the animals gathered around the door. Please help us. We are the animals from the earth. So they are telling the sky woman that they want help, and they are from earth. They have come from earth. All of them are waiting outside the sky woman's door. Look at the next picture. You can see the sky woman in this picture. She has come out. The sky woman came out of her house. How can I help you? She is asking them, how can I help you? So the animals are now saying, it is too hot on the earth. There is no water to drink. There is no air to breathe. And there is only dry brown grass to eat. Let's look at the next picture. The sky woman went into her house and returned with 3 small bags. She gave 1 bag to bear, 1 bag to owl, and 1 bag to rabbit. So the sky woman listened to their complaints. Then she went into her house and brought 3 bags and gave 1 to bear, 1 to owl, and 1 to rabbit. 3 bags. You can see in the picture. The animals thanked the sky woman and returned to the earth. After getting the bags, the animals thanked the sky woman and then they returned to earth. Look at the next picture. All the animals gathered around to see what was in the bags. Bear opened his bag first. Whoosh, out of the bag came the winds. The grasses and bushes swayed. The leaves flew off the trees. So in the first bag, there was wind. The bag Bear got had winds inside. And when the wind came out with a whooshing sound, the grasses and bushes swayed, they moved, and leaves flew off the trees. See, you can see all the leaves and bushes are swaying in the wind in the picture. Okay. Let's look at the next page. Then Owl opened his bag. Out of his bag came rain and fog. The animals sang and danced for joy. See, they are very happy. They are saying, hooray! Now we will have water to drink and delicious green grass to eat. So next, Owl opened the second bag and there was rain and fog inside the second bag. So now they are happy, there is rain and water. Now they will have enough water to drink. So as there is water now, there will be grass. So they can eat grass too. Look at the next picture. Finally, Rabbit opened his bag. Out of it came soft white snow that quickly filled the air and covered the ground. In the third bag, the bag that Rabbit got, that bag contained soft white snow. The snow came out and filled the ground. You can see everything is white because of the snow. Rabbit's bag contained snow. From that day, the earth has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. And ever since, all the earth's animals have had water to drink, food to eat and air to breathe. So before the animals got the bag, there was only summer. So after the animals got 3 other bags, they also have winter, spring and autumn. And from that time, the animals have water to drink, food to eat, and air to breathe, and 4 seasons. Okay, dear students, this was the story. Now we will read word meaning and make sentence from this story. Unit 8, the 4 seasons. At first, word meaning. Number A, gathered. Gathered means came together. Number B, ahead. Ahead means in front of. Number C, swayed. Swayed means moved slowly from side to side. Next we have make sentence. Number A, brown. The sentence with brown is the grass was always dry and brown. You can also make your own sentences. Number B, travel. The animals traveled for many days and nights. Number C, return. The sky woman returned with 3 small bags. Let's read the word meaning and make sentence again. Word meaning. Number A, gathered. Gathered means came together. Number B, ahead. Ahead means in front of. Number C, swayed. Swayed means moved slowly from side to side. Make sentence. Number A, brown. The grass was always dry and brown. Number B, travel. The animals traveled for many days and nights. Number C, return. The sky woman returned with 3 small bags. Look at your homework. Homework number 3 is Unit 8. Make sentence. The make sentence you just did. Number A, B and C. The words brown, travel and return. You have to make sentences with these 3 words as your homework. Sample sentences we have practiced in class, but you can also make your own sentences. But they have to be grammatically correct. So dear students, this was today's class. Please practice at home and study well. And submit your homework next Saturday. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.